Likewise, sisters, another piece of advice, how evil is being beautified. Another example, wallahi nasahna lakum. The shoulder abayas. Naam, some people must be sitting there. Here he goes again. Even that Bal Mudil made the excuse for it. Oh, that's only for Saudi Arabia, not for America. هكذا يزين الباطل. The shoulder abayas. I'll give you an example. Look how it led to evil. The ulama, Fawzan, the Lajnat al-Da'ima, Shaykhna Shaykh Ubayd, the ulama, we find them saying no, because it's like a thawb and it doesn't cover the woman properly. Some people came, no, that's only for Saudi Arabia. Shaykh Fawzan said, what's haram in Saudi Arabia is haram in America. Whoever says that, he's trying to disconnect the people from the scholars. What did the shoulder abaya lead to? What did it lead to? Now you got women wearing belts around their waist, trying to show their curves, saying, hey, look at me. Wearing belts around their waist. What covering is that? Any woman who's honest and any woman that fears Allah, you know the reason why you cover? Is it to wear a belt? For people to see where your curves and what type of curves? Evil is being beautified. Let's not fall into the ways of those who try to bend their religion, play games with the religion. Ikhwan, we advise whoever accepts it, accepts it. Whoever doesn't accept it. That's all we can do. Sisters, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar. وَلِتُكَبِّرُ اللَّهَ عَلَى مَا هَدَاكُمْ. Allah Azza wa Jal, glorify Him for guiding you to Islam. When we come to the Eid, come to the Eid with modesty, dress properly, and don't follow the footsteps of the shaitan.